Hello and welcome. It's been a few weeks, but there's finally progress. The entire rear section has been tacked in. We had to remove the section several times to trim and adjust before we started the welding. Fitment is very good considering all the removal of material on the donor sections. Also, trying to mate the surfaces of two different cars in an order not done from the factory led to some trouble. But the progress is evident, and I'm ready to finish this aspect and move on to the other welding repairs that are needed on this car. One bad problem we encountered was with the original deck lid. We could not get it to line up at the rear valance, and it overhung too much at the tail panel, despite having the package tray in the original location. I had another deck lid from a 71, and the fitment was 100 times better. There is still a good amount of work to do on this section. I have to grind down these spot welds and tack weld the package tray where it meets the rear seat back. Also, the trunk brackets have to be welded to the braces on both sides, and there are some small metal patches needed where the factory had a ton of lead fill. I'll also be grinding down these molding clip pins, as they are in a different position on the 74 donor piece than on the original 71. We'll be using screws to hold down the clips back here. Once everything is welded up, I'll be removing this glue residue and prepping all the roof surfaces for filler. Here's the sped up video of the full day we spent welding and grinding the replacement panel. Enjoy, and please like and subscribe to the channel. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for notifications on this project's progress and other how-to videos. Thanks!